Hello everyone, this is Kip, the host. The show is Kicker Unmasked Live. Every Tuesday night, 7:30 Central Time. Tune in. We cover all the hot products from Kicker. We get into applications, how to hook it up, how to get the most out of it, and we even bring in special guests to talk about the product even more. You know, this week we talked about the key products, the 200.4, the 501, the key lock, and it opened up a real big discussion on factory integration. We're going to talk about that next Tuesday and get a little bit deeper and show you how you can utilize more Kicker products to get the most out of your factory sound system. But speaking about special, don't forget we're doing a quad box giveaway. Description, check it out below. The link to enter is right in there. And want some more giveaways? How about an Unmasked Live t-shirt you can only get if you tune into the show? Come check us out Tuesday night, 7:30, right here on the Kicker YouTube and Facebook channels. Hope to see you then.